No. No. Maybe. No. Maybe. No.
The trick is, if you feel like you gotta go like that and take it out, don't.
Don't laugh at my nostrils. It's not funny. I was born with these. This game, man, you're good on spaghetti. Man, spaghetti noodles.
Wait. Oh my god, I can't. Try to see if you try. I can't make Mikey talk. Oh, I think I know this. She knows it's just this, but the G spot.
As long as you don't stand that shit up my nose, I'm alright.
Okay.
Here we go.
No, try the left one, My Mikey start laughing.
Alright, go ahead.
But open your eyes, you gotta look up.
What do you mean I look up? In my nose, man. Alright. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Oh, my nose hurts. It hurts a little bit.
Try to get the floor.
Close. It's close. Oh. Oh my god, did that just record this whole time?